Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you're doing well. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Designer Mom, aka Tarji V. So in this video, I'm going to start the redecoration process of my guest bathroom. I'm finally going to do the accent wall behind the toilet. So the theme for the bathroom is going to be black, gold, and white with a hint of gray and a little bit of color as well. So I'm super excited to have this done. I've been thinking about an accent wall for a very long time, and I think this is just going to level up the space. I like my space to be sophisticated and modern as well, so I think it's gonna make the bathroom look really nice. The bathroom has white wall right now, so with this accent wallpaper, it's gonna look fabulous, and I'm super excited to start this process. So you guys, here are some things to consider prior to applying wallpaper on your wall. Make sure that you have a flat, even surface. There are no nails, screws, or any holes in the wall. And then number two, make sure that the paint texture is also like a satin or a high gloss finish. If it's a matte finish, you will damage the paint when you decide to remove the wallpaper in the future. So just make sure that your paint texture is either a satin or a glossy finish. And then make sure that you have a flat, even surface prior to applying any type of wallpaper to your wall. So without no further ado, let's jump into this video. So this is the wall I'm going to wallpaper. So I decided to use the new wallpaper peel and stick in the cream grass weave texture. So I did use this very same wallpaper in my beauty space. I really loved it, so I decided to apply it to my guest bathroom as well. Previously, I was gonna go with like a polka dot theme, but I wasn't loving the polka dot. I think this is a simpler look. The polka dot was looking a little crazy, so I wanted to go with like a classy, simple look that's also transitional as well. You could decorate your space. I think this is very neutral and modern as well. You could decorate your space any which way with this wallpaper, so that was the idea behind using this wallpaper. You guys, don't forget, you can also purchase this wallpaper in my Amazon storefront. The link is in the description box, of course. So this wallpaper I did purchase on Amazon as well. So if you want to purchase this wallpaper, click on the link and you'll be able to find this wallpaper. Also, don't forget to use your plastic scraper to actually apply the wallpaper. So you're gonna need something to smooth it out, and this is perfect. So I made a decision. I'm gonna start from the top in the middle.
Can't do what I do. You can't do what I do. You can't do what I do. No, 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 you can't do what I do. Whoa, 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 whoa. Race set, go. I need a bag and I need it to go. I hit a spot and I'm ready to go. I've been on go, so I'm always on go. Been it before and I act like I know. Been it before and I know how it goes. Straight up, part of my weight, my gain up. I don't need chains, I'm chainless. Long as my kids stay caked up, long as my mom stay prayed up, I'll be here forever.
I'm gonna take the wallpaper all the way down behind the toilet to kind of give it like that custom look. So that's gonna look really nice.
No, 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 you can't do what I do. I take a loss and learn. I watch some bridges burn. I never toss and turn. I wake up and I repeat. It's only me that I can.
So you guys can see it's already looking really nice. I just have to do the cutout where the angle valve is, and also make it a little bit more seamless at the bottom, but it's looking good. Woo.
Go, 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 have some fun, like you can't do what I do. No, 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 you can't do what I do. You can't do what I do. No, 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 you can't do what I I do.
Buy that paper. Buy that paper. Buy that paper. Buy that paper. Yeah. True man, I'm free. I wake up a new episode. I pop out cleaners, keep me up a level though. She talk to me like I'm not me. I get it though. Yeah. I'm so eclectic, I'm me to the credits roll. Talk down to me, they might have to send medical. I'm out the league, I'm OD, they pathetic though. Look how I move, I'm protected. Shawty so swoon in my presence. The world going through it outside, they unruly, but I keep it cool, they can't press me. I keep it pure with intention. They see what I'm on, ain't no vixen. I might slide through with that top down. I keep it tuned with a high power. Put it on me, I'm blessed. Blessed. Big bag, manifest the sky, no stress. Keep no evil around me, can't ground me. I built it since when I had less. No hex on, God can't pause. Look at how far we progress. Whatever we doing, we keeping it fluid. I don't see a threat. Buy that paper. Buy that paper. Buy that paper. Buy that paper. Hop on a jet, had to switch to the coast. One of a kind, I've been playing that role. They pay me to play me, I needed it for. It's real if I said I meant what I spoke. I'm legend, it's written, I shake up the city. Spin block till I'm dizzy, won't ever go broke. I'm chose, I must like do it a top down. I keep in tune with a high power. Put it on me, I'm blessed. Blessed, big bag, manifest the sky, no stress. Keep no evil around me, can't ground me. I built it since when I had less. No hex on, God can't pause. Look at how far we progress. Whatever we doing, we keeping it fluid. I don't see a threat. Buy that paper. Buy that paper. Buy that paper. Buy that paper. Put it on me, I'm blessed. Big bag, manifest the sky, no stress. Can't ground me, I built it since when I had less. Look at how far we progress.
So you guys, it's all done. The wall has been wallpapered. Now I found out that my wall isn't really even. It's bumpy. So like I said, make sure your wall is pretty smooth. I'm not able to smooth out my wall. I live in an apartment. This wall has been painted multiple times. So I did the best that I could, and I think it looks really nice. I'm really happy with the wallpaper. So I'm super excited to decorate the bathroom now. So next video is going to be a bathroom makeover. So I'm super excited to film that video as well. So I see you guys on the next one. Bye. Peace.